Hey there, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to tackle a common problem that many PowerShell users face while analyzing log files. The problem revolves around needing to filter out specific lines containing errors while ignoring others, such as user login and authentication errors. Let's dive into the solution that will help you address this pesky problem. In the initial script, the code used the match operator to filter out lines containing error or exception from the log file using a for each loop. This approach resulted in returning the count of 8 lines that match the search criteria. Moving forward with the solution, the attempt to combine the match and not match operators within the for each loop to exclude specific lines didn't work as expected. The reason behind this unexpected behavior lies in the nature of PowerShell treating arrays differently when used in Boolean contexts, resulting in only a single true output. To overcome this obstacle, a more effective approach was presented by chaining the match and not match operators directly within the for each loop. By doing so, PowerShell first filters the lines that match the search criteria and then further filters out the lines that should be excluded, providing the desired result efficiently. Now, let's take a look at a more idiomatic solution using the where object content. By employing this approach and filtering the content of the log file, you can easily exclude lines containing specific phrases while retaining those that match the specified search criteria. This method ensures clarity and readability in your PowerShell script, making it easier to manage and maintain in the long run. To sum it up, by following these methods, you can effectively filter through log files in PowerShell, extracting only the relevant information while excluding unwanted lines. I hope this solution helps streamline your log analysis process and saves you valuable time and effort. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts or any suggestions you may have. Stay tuned for more tech tips and tricks, and until next time, happy scripting!